You're staring at your screen again. Two charts open. Crypto on one side, Forex on the other. Your mind keeps jumping between them. Bitcoin just moved 5% in minutes. The Forex pair barely moved at all. And now you're thinking, am I choosing the wrong market? So you open another video, another expert, another strategy. Crypto is the future. No, Forex is safer. The opinions never stop. You keep learning, watching, comparing, but something strange keeps happening. Days pass, and you're still on the outside. Not because you're lazy, because confusion is loud. One moment, crypto feels like the biggest opportunity in the world. The next moment, it crashes. Forex feels stable, but maybe too slow. So you wait. You tell yourself you'll decide tomorrow. But tomorrow quietly becomes next week. And the real problem isn't the market, it's the delay. Comfort tells you to keep researching. Distraction keeps opening new tabs. Routine keeps you watching instead of acting. But here's the truth. Crypto doesn't make traders successful. Forex doesn't make traders disciplined. The market only exposes who you already are. Because trading isn't about finding the perfect opportunity. It's about becoming the person who can handle opportunity. Discipline, patience, control, that's where real freedom begins. Not in the chart you choose, but in the mindset you bring to it. So, when the next move appears on your screen, there's only one question left. Are you still searching, or are you finally ready to decide who you are?